Okay, so apparently, guys, we're not coding anymore. We're vibe coding. Here's the thing about vibe coding. Vibe coding is when you don't start with a 47 technical spec, you start with a feeling. Vibe coding, according to our lovely Wikipedia, an AI-assisted software development practice. You open up your AI tool like ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, whatever it may be, and you start with a prompt that's something like, make me a premium landing page. The only difference is you don't know a single line of code. Look, vibe coding has a very negative image to it, but actually some software developers and project managers here at Software Co quite enjoy this new kind of coding.
I think they are fantastic prototyping tools. I think they can be used to definitely accelerate a product journey from just idea to release, or what we call MVP. These tools are going to keep getting better and better until you can build really, really complex systems. And there's certainly a level of complexity that has been reached with them to date. However, I think if you're going into it with the expectation that you're going to build a fully fledged product just by vibe coding, you're sadly mistaken. AI doesn't have all the context or the tokens available to be able to have full understanding of what you want as a system. And not only that, there's a lot of security vulnerabilities that it skips over. So I think these things will get better. And with time, who knows, you might be able to build fully fledged, secure, scalable products with AI. But for the time being, I would recommend keeping them at an absolute prototype level before you engage the experts to help you.
If it is for someone who wants to just tell you about what they want to build, it gives you a good idea of what they actually want. And it's exciting to see how things are growing out there. But I do have my reservations when it comes to actually building it. If it's a small project, it's really small site that you're building up just to let people know that this is what my store is, it's fine. I think it's helpful for them. But when it comes to scalability, when you're expanding and you're going beyond what you had probably thought about it a year ago, I think at that point of time, vibe coding might not be a good choice because its architecture or its knowledge, the AI is not trained enough to give you that scalability.
So instead of just hating on vibe coding or solely relying on vibe coding, let's use it as a tool to prototype and ideate. But guys, remember, you still need an actual developer to clean it up, to structure it properly for security reasons, and to make sure it doesn't collapse the moment you press launch. So yeah, vibe coding isn't replacing developers. It's just giving them a better vibe.